One of the best things you need to do is have good friends who help you remember Allah. And this is what I try to live by. So when I was in Zimbabwe and visiting a mosque, since I converted for the very first time, I saw some challenges that they had. The biggest problem was the availability of water. Zimbabwe has shortages of water and electricity. So unless you sort these out yourself, it is very, very difficult to find. For example, the way you can sort out your water is to have a borehole, and with that you put a solar pump. So when I went to this mosque, I enrolled my children for holiday classes that happened there. It so happened to be a school holiday when we went. So I decided to enroll them for the class. And then halfway through the classes, the lessons were cancelled because of lack of water. The children couldn't obviously flush the toilets and there was just no water available. So I then thought to myself, is there a way we can raise money for a pump? Because I didn't have enough money to pay for the pump myself, because it was almost $800. Then I thought, okay, maybe when I go to the UK, I'll go and save some money and then I will send it. But it would take me a while. So back in the UK, I called some of my friends. I told them about my travels, and then I let them know about the water problem. And within a few minutes, we had raised the money that was needed. I spoke to one friend, and then she spoke to a sister, and that's it. And one of the people, and then my friend, she then said she's putting more money as well for Sadaqah Jariyah for her mum who passed away a few years ago. What a fantastic thing to do, because you can do these things for relatives, friends, or someone else, who's passed away, and you want them to get a reward. May Allah accept it from her. And, we got it done 2 days. The solar pump was installed and they now have water. You can watch these videos just to see the whole process. You don't have to be a big organization or donate to a big organization to do the small changes that you can. Get together with a few people, donate something, or help with your time or something, whatever you can. It's very good to help with this. And providing water is one of the best charities one can do, and they carry on. It's an ongoing charity. Even in your death, you still benefit from it. So it was really good, and it's nice to see that water is there now. Lessons don't get cancelled, and it is a community borehole because people had to travel. There are community boreholes further up, but to go there and fetch water and come back and carry buckets of water or lots of water, for laundry, for cooking, for bathing, it's just it's a big hassle. But now people don't have to travel further, because even though the borehole is there at the mosque, it's a community borehole, and it so happened to be drilled and installed on Jummah, so the community got to see the whole process and just be a part of the whole thing. So just watch the videos and do something you can for your communities, or travel more. Go to out of the capital cities, because a lot of people tend to go to tourist destinations, stay in the capitals, but there are remote areas outside, in high density areas, rural areas, which I'm going to showcase at some point. I'm going to showcase mosques in places I never knew existed, but I wasn't a Muslim then, so I didn't know anything about Islam in Zimbabwe. And I'm really looking forward to travel deep into the roots of Zimbabwe and see some mosques. There's a travel journey I did, and also I heard there's a mosque there. It's absolutely amazing. I really want to showcase these and see what, help that can be done for these people and these communities. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.
يوم الجمعة عند المسجد. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. People are busy, alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, busy settings. Today is Yawmul Jumu'ah also. So as you can see, the people are now coming out of Jumu'ah, alhamdulillah. We said this process on the Jumu'ah day, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yeah, the new pump is about to be installed now. As you can see, it's being fitted, everything is in order. So inshallah, anytime soon, it will be going into the hole. Jazakumullah khairan, jazakumullah khairan, jazakumullah khairan. This is the hole, the borehole. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Now we are installing the pump. MashaAllah, this is the pump going down. Going down, going down, going down, going down. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Alhamdulillah. Jazakumullah khairan. Jazakumullah khairan. You guys are doing a fantastic job. It is nice. It is nice. May Allah continue to bless all of you. This good job has been done here. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. The combination is very well. Very nice. Allah. Bismillah, alhamdulillah. The water is coming out now. Alhamdulillah. As you can see, these are the tips for the wudu. Alhamdulillah. The water is running nicely. Maybe because of the white color, maybe it not be seen clearly, but alhamdulillah, the water is running. It's only pressure which is a bit low, but alhamdulillah, the water is now running out. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Maybe as a community we will try to buy also a pressure pump so that the pressure will increase, inshallah. Jazakumullah khairan for the efforts. May Allah grant you all Jannatul Firdaus. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillah, the tank is full this morning. The tank is full. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. It's now spilling off. Now spilling off. See. Alhamdulillah. It's working nicely. It's working nicely. MashaAllah.